our beloved School Division Superintendent, Attorney Donato de Valderas Jr., to our Assistant School Division Superintendent, Julioli Naty Dominguez, to our Education Program Supervisor in MAPE and Monitoring Supervisor of Vintar Secondary School, Dr. Princess Ann I. To our guest of honor and speaker, Charmaine J. C. Fabio. To our dynamic school principal, Mr. Michael A. Villanueva. To our dedicated teachers, staff, and stakeholders, supportive parents, and fellow graduates, a wonderful afternoon to each and everyone. First, I want to express my deepest gratitude to all the equally incredible staff and teachers of Palyas Integrated School. This marathon of ours would not be possible without you. You made our armors fully built for the real battle of our own lives. The guidance, encouragement, and belief in us every step of the way serve as our ladder to reach this higher ground. I'd like to give a special thanks to our class advisors, Mr. John Paul A. Palima and Mr. Anthony Carlo F. C. You believe in us, even in times we refuse to believe in ourselves. With that, we are forever grateful. To my fellow graduates, I am incredibly proud of each and every one of us. I know how much we work hard to make this day happen. Each year of high school was never easy, but we pushed through, we showed up, and we did it together. My name is J. Mark Vince Omigao, and I feel beyond honored and grateful to stand here before you as your class valedictorian. I am a child of an OFW, domestic helper, and a farmer. My mother is not just an OFW. She is a real-life hero to me and to my siblings. She is a domestic helper in Afghanistan, a country that is currently under threat of war. She chose to stay despite the fear for her life. Her sacrifices as a mother is immeasurable. The idea of leaving her own family and take care of other people's family is somehow heartbreaking to a growing child like me. But I choose to widen my understanding and be grateful for everything that she is doing. My father, he started working in the field at a young age. He was not fortunate enough like us who were able to go to school. Itingasapang na edad, haan nga lapis kim papet nga tingnan na. Yung diket kong pahikin ko ribo. Jak ibain nga isong nakit may sa kadagiti norid noray akon kunata. Yung diket, nagbalin amat proud na kinipapang ko. Tamakita no kasano na may saksakada ti pamilya ni ikarkarigatan ni ipatuloy kami nga kamabsat iti eskwela. Kinimaman kinipapang ko. Di matukod ti pinagyaman ko kada kayo. Kanayon yung nga ibaga nga dakang tipig sayo iti oras nga mabandog kayo. Ket kunak met nga ti bandog kinrigas yo ti inspirasyon ko nga agtultuloy amang kawat dagiti arapaap ang nabukir para kada kayo. I was growing up without achievement or recognition. Honestly, I was not as gifted as other kids who are able to solve math equations at 6 years old. But I never gave up and settled on that lesser version of myself. I worked hard with the right amount of discipline, faith, and consistency. I reached this day with a reward that was only a dream before. Yes, I thought it would end only just a dream. Truly, chasing your dreams is hard, but no one mentioned how hard it is to chase dreams with broken pockets. And chasing dreams with broken pockets while longing for your mother's presence is the hardest. But none of this stopped me to keep going. Nothing stopped. Not a single situation can stop a heart that is full of dreams. To our dear parents, this is not just our achievement. This is your achievement too. All the hard work, love, and support you gave us helped us reach this moment. You guided us, sacrificed for us, and never gave up on us. Because of you, we are here today. To my friends, my family, Athena, Janie, Albert, Angel, Marife, Charis, and Kyla. Thank you for always being on my side, no matter what happened. You were there in my happy days and also in my hard times. You made me laugh when I was tired, and you gave me strength when I felt weak. Because of you, this journey became easier and more meaningful. I will always be grateful for all the moments we shared, the smiles, the struggles, and memories we made together. And to all my classmates, thank you for being part of my life. We may go on different paths, but we'll always remember the memories we shared, the ups and downs, the laughter and the challenges. These memories will stay in our hearts forever. Thank you for everything. This success is all ours. Ahoy for a greater future for all of us. As I end my speech, I want to leave you with a simple thought. The turtle theory. A turtle is slow, but it never stops. It keeps moving forward, step by step. No matter how long the journey is, it does not worry about being behind. It only focuses on its goal, and in the end, every small step becomes a big success. We are like that turtle. Life may be hard. There will be problems, struggles, and days when we feel tired. But always remember, problems are not a punishment. They are steps that help us reach our dreams. They make us stronger and wiser. The Bible reminds us, Philippians 4, verse 13. I can do all things through Him who gives me strength. This means God will not give us a problem we cannot handle. He allows challenges because He knew we are strong enough to overcome them. We just need to call His name, trust Him, and keep going. So today, as we move forward to a new chapter, let us not be afraid to go slow. What matters is that we do not stop. Keep chasing our dreams. Keep believing in ourselves. And most of all, keep trusting God. Let us be like the turtle, strong, patient, and focused. Congratulations to all of us. The journey is not over. This is just the beginning. Thank you.